When it comes to making a jacket or a suit, I noticed that one of the most difficult things for my students and my apprentice is the closing of the vent. It's crazy. Like, but it is not that difficult because I recently make a complete video of how to cut and sew a suit. It is part of my intensive class. In case you are interested, I'll put a link in the description below. It just seems like the vent aspect is one of the most difficult parts, and I've tried as much as possible to share more light to doing that. But however, the most important part of making a jacket is the sleeve cap. This particular thing you're seeing is being able to get an accurate cap and being able to construct the shoulder to the sleeve cap itself is one of the most important. That's what will determine if your jacket is going to be corporate jacket or suit or blazer, if it's going to like be corporate. As you can see in this sleeve is a turn up sleeve. Is going to have a turn up on the wrist side. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a cap, like how to cap out your sleeve after cutting it and after turning the lining, how to like how to cap out your sleeve. That's what I'll be taking you guys in this video, because I feel like this is one of the most important part of it. So after doing this, after this video, you can understand how to construct a sleeve cap step by step. It's just a very simple technique that I decided to like share with you guys in this video in case you're finding it difficult to do. I've got some of my friends that send me pictures of their suits, and I noticed this is mainly their problem, so I decided to share this with you. So let's get to the video. Pa. So here, this is before I even cut, like before I even seal the suit. So in order to make the cap, as you can see the previous one on the table is straight, and this one is cupped already. You can see that this one is capped already. So when you put it on your sleeve, it's going to simply curved out that shape that we need. I believe you can see that clearly. It's going to give us that puffed out shape on our shoulder. So how do I achieve this? Is very simple. So I'm going to thread out a needle that I'm going to show you guys now. And if you haven't watched the video of how to cut a sleeve, it is the last video I dropped on the channel. It is a 2-piece sleeve, how to cut it. So just 1.5 inches after your first joining there, I'll be making my gathers. Just input your needle, and I'm going to pass a very tiny gathers all around the sleeve cap to the other side, not completely the other side. Make sure the gathers are very tiny so that you don't have a huge gathers at that place, so that when you're stitching it, it will affect your to be showing. Just something like this. Just pass the gathers just like that. You can see this. You can see what I have. Just something like this. You can see. So I'm going to pass it all around, but make sure it is not too gathers so that it will not affect your sewing. So I'm going to pass it all around, and I'm going to adjust it. So after passing it all around, as you can see, make sure this place is not too gathers so that it will not affect your stitch. I said that. So what I will be doing now, I will be releasing each of the stitch. I'm just going to control it so that I'm going to have a smooth cup, so that I will be able to, you can see when I put my hand, that edges is smooth. So when I'm stitching the edge, I will not be stitching the gathers. I'll be stitching the smooth surface, and yet my sleeve is going to be cupped. You can see that. Just adjust it very well. Take your time to have a good cap, because it will relieve you a lot of stress if you can get it accurately. So now you can see that it's accurate. So far it is facing me up, and you can see that if I put my hand all down the cap, it is smooth and there's no gathers there. That's exactly what we want. So I'm just going to like tack the edge. I'm going to do the finishing just like this. I'm just going to lock it. You can see that. You can see that. So I can simply attach this to my, like use it to construct my sleeve. You can see it's already looking like the suit cupped like that. You can see what we have. So that's about it on this video. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumb up, and if you're interested in joining our professional class, a link will be in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace and enjoy yourself. Bye bye.